buying this 10066 tabletop organizer from Fixture Displays. This small cabinet is an excellent item to have to keep your countertop, your vanity top, or tabletop well organized and free from clusters. You can have maybe 20 bottles or 50 on your vanity, and nice countertops start to look very clustered. This little cabinet offers you the opportunity to keep them easily accessible, yet they're out of the way. It comes with a nice sticker. You can choose to position anywhere you like. Some choose to be in the middle between the two doors, and then slit, make that a half and a half, or you can pretty much put anywhere you like, or don't use it. There are four rubber feet provided. You can optionally install that and make that a little friendly to your countertop. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. Now the doors is a nice push-in with the magnets, so very easy to access. And they're really two layers. You can put items inside or put the most commonly used smaller items on the top shelf. The bottom is tall enough to put shampoos or larger bottles, whereas the top is meant for smaller items. Of course, you can put taller items as well, whatever looks best in your space. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. Fixture Displays design and manufacture a wider variety of business and consumer products. We also take custom orders. If you have a design, a project, we love the opportunity to make those for you. I hope you enjoyed this product in this video. Do like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.